Welcome back to AutoVerse. Today we're diving into the wild world of car mods. Some of these upgrades look awesome, sound insane, and feel next level. But they're actually illegal. Yep. People install them every day without realizing they can get fined, fail inspection, or even have their car impounded. So let's check out the craziest car mods that can get you in serious trouble. First up, underglow neon lights. They look straight out of Fast and Furious, but many countries and states ban certain colors like red, blue, or flashing lights because they can mimic emergency vehicles. If your car looks like it's auditioning for a street racing movie, the police will definitely notice. Number 2. Straight pipe exhausts. Removing your muffler or catalytic converter might give you a loud, aggressive sound, but it also makes your car illegal instantly. Straight pipes violate noise laws, emission rules, and can even trigger huge fines. Next is limo-level window tint. Dark tint looks stealthy, but anything below a certain visibility is illegal in many places. If an officer can't see inside your car, you're getting pulled over. Every region has its own tint percentage limit, and going too dark is a guaranteed ticket. Moving on to LED headlight conversions. Yes, they're bright, sometimes too bright. If your aftermarket LEDs don't match your housing or blinding other drivers, they become illegal. And trust me, nothing annoys people more than headlights brighter than the sun. Another one is air horns and train horns. It sounds hilarious until you realize these horns are banned because they can distract or scare other drivers. If your car sounds like a freight train, that's a problem. We also have illegal suspension mods. Extreme lowering or lifting may look cool, but if your bumper height, headlight angle, or suspension travel goes outside legal limits, your car instantly becomes road illegal. Some setups even damage roads or make your car unsafe at high speeds. Fake police lights and sirens, no explanation needed. If your car can mimic law enforcement, that's a serious offense. And yes, people still do it. Then there are nitrous oxide kits. While nitrous is allowed in some places for off-road or track use, having it connected and ready on public roads is illegal. One button and your car becomes a rocket, and a major violation. Finally, license plate covers and flippers. These are used to dodge traffic cameras and tolls, and authorities consider them illegal almost everywhere. Anything that hides or alters your plate is a red flag. Car mods are awesome, but always check the rules before going crazy. Let me know which mod surprised you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More insane AutoVerse content is on the way.